Aloha, beach lovers and luxury seekers. Today, we're diving into the sun-soaked world of the Hyatt Regency Waikiki Beach Resort and Spa. Nestled in the heart of Honolulu's vibrant Waikiki district, this tropical paradise is more than just a place to rest your head. It's a slice of Hawaiian heaven that'll have you saying mahalo faster than you can sip a Mai Tai. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? Picture this. You wake up to the gentle sound of waves, draw back the curtains, and bam, the Pacific Ocean is right there, stretching out to the horizon like a giant blue welcome mat. The Hyatt Regency Waikiki offers a variety of room types to suit every traveler's needs. From cozy mountain view rooms perfect for solo adventurers to spacious ocean view suites that'll make you feel like Hawaiian royalty, there's something for everyone. Each room is a little oasis of comfort, decked out with all the mod cons you'd expect from a high-end resort. We're talking flat-screen TVs, coffee makers, because let's face it, even in paradise, some of us need that morning caffeine hit, and private balconies where you can soak up those killer views. And if you're traveling with the whole ohana, that's family and Hawaiian folks, the quad rooms on the higher floors are perfect for group getaways. Just remember, with views this good, you might have to draw straws for the best spot on the balcony. Now let's talk grub, because let's be honest, half the fun of vacation is eating your way through it, right? The Hyatt Regency Waikiki doesn't disappoint in the culinary department. SHOR Restaurant is the star of the show, serving up fresh seafood that'll make you wonder why you ever ate fish anywhere else. Picture yourself digging into a perfectly grilled mahi-mahi while watching the sunset over the ocean. That's not just dinner, that's a whole mood. For those who like their meals with a side of OMG, look at that view. The poolside bar swim is your go-to. Sip on a colorful cocktail, munch on some light bites, and pretend you're in a vacation commercial, because with a setting like this, you practically are. And if you're craving some Asian flavors, Kirin Restaurant and Furusato Sushi have got you covered with everything from sushi rolls to steaming bowls of ramen. Just remember to save room for dessert. Calories don't count on vacation, right? Speaking of the pool, let's dive into the resort's aquatic offerings. The outdoor pool at the Hyatt Regency Waikiki is like the popular kid at school. Everyone wants to hang out there. With its stunning ocean views and swim-up bar, it's the perfect spot to work on your tan, perfect your cannonball, or just float around pretending you're a very relaxed starfish. And the best part? The pool is open year-round because in Hawaii, it's always swimming season. But let's not forget the real star of the show, Waikiki Beach itself. Just a hop, skip, and a jump from the hotel. Okay, it's right across the street, but hop, skip, and jump sounds more fun. This world-famous beach is your playground. Whether you want to try your hand at surfing, warning, it's harder than it looks, snorkel with tropical fish, or just lounge on the soft sand, the beach has got you covered. And the best part? The hotel provides beach amenities like chairs and towels, so you don't have to lug your own gear across the Pacific. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if I want to do more than just laze around in the sun? Although, let's be real, that sounds pretty great. Well, fear not. Active vacationers. The Hyatt Regency Waikiki has got your back. The fitness center is open 24/7 because nothing says vacation like a 3 a.m. workout, right? No judgment here. We all have our quirks. If you prefer your exercise with a side of OM, the resort offers yoga classes where you can perfect your downward dog while gazing at the upward sun. And for those who believe that vacation is all about pampering, we see you, and we approve. The Naho'ola Spa is your ticket to bliss. From massages that'll turn you into human jelly to facials that'll have you glowing brighter than a Hawaiian sunset, the spa has it all. Pro tip: book a couple's massage for some romantic relaxation, or treat yourself to a full-body massage because, hey, you deserve it. But wait, there's more. I feel like an infomercial host, but I promise, no steak knives for sale here. The Hyatt Regency Waikiki isn't just about sun, sea, and relaxation. It's also a cultural hub. Every Friday, the resort hosts Aloha Fridays, where you can try your hand at traditional Hawaiian activities like ukulele lessons, lei making, and hula dancing. Fair warning, hula is harder than it looks, so maybe don't challenge the locals to a dance-off just yet. These activities are a great way to immerse yourself in Hawaiian culture and maybe even pick up a new party trick. Imagine impressing your friends back home with your mad ukulele skills. Now let's talk about location, because in real estate and vacations, it's all about location, location, location. And boy, does the Hyatt Regency Waikiki deliver on that front. Situated smack dab in the middle of Waikiki, you're within walking distance of some of Honolulu's hottest spots. Want to do some shopping? The Royal Hawaiian Center is just a stone's throw away. Feeling like getting up close and personal with some marine life? The Waikiki Aquarium is a short stroll down the beach. And for those who like their vacations with a side of adventure, Diamond Head State Monument is nearby, offering hiking trails and panoramic views that'll have your Instagram followers green with envy. But what really sets the Hyatt Regency Waikiki apart is its commitment to creating memorable experiences. From the moment you step into the open-air atrium with its cascading waterfall, talk about a grand entrance, you know you're in for something special. The staff here don't just work at the hotel. They're like your personal vacation fairy godparents, ready to grant your every wish. Within reason, of course. They can't actually make you a mermaid, no matter how nicely you ask. Whether you need recommendations for the best shave ice in town, want to book a sunset sail, or just need an extra pillow for your afternoon nap, they've got you covered. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about the kids? Well, fear not, parents. The Hyatt Regency Waikiki has thought of the little ones too. While there isn't a dedicated kids club, the resort offers family-friendly activities that'll keep the kiddos entertained. From lei-making classes where they can create their own Hawaiian necklaces, to hula lessons that'll have them shaking their hips like pros, there's plenty to keep young minds engaged. And let's not forget the pool and beach. Hours of entertainment right there. Just remember to pack the sunscreen, because nothing ruins a family vacation quite like a lobster-red child complaining about their sunburn. As we wrap up our virtual tour of the Hyatt Regency Waikiki Beach Resort and Spa, let's talk about the overall experience. This isn't just a hotel, it's a destination in itself. From the moment you arrive, you're enveloped in the aloha spirit, surrounded by the beauty of Hawaii, and treated to a level of luxury that'll make you seriously consider extending your stay, or maybe just forgetting to leave. The combination of stunning ocean views, top-notch amenities, and that famous Hawaiian hospitality creates an experience that's hard to beat. Of course, no hotel is perfect, and the Hyatt Regency Waikiki does have a few areas where it could improve. Some guests have mentioned that the furniture in the rooms could use an update, and the selection of on-site restaurants, while good, could be more diverse. But these are minor quibbles in the grand scheme of things. When you're sipping a cocktail by the pool, watching the sunset over Waikiki Beach, or being lulled to sleep by the sound of the ocean, you're not going to be thinking about whether the armchair in your room is the latest model. So, what's the bottom line? If you're looking for a slice of Hawaiian paradise with all the trimmings, the Hyatt Regency Waikiki Beach Resort and Spa should be at the top of your list. It's got the location, the amenities, the views, and that indefinable something that turns a good vacation into a great one. Whether you're a honeymooning couple, a family looking for some fun in the sun, or a solo traveler seeking a bit of luxury, this resort has something for everyone. Just be warned. Once you've experienced the Hyatt Regency Waikiki, other hotels might pale in comparison. But hey, that's just a good excuse to come back to Hawaii, right? As we say goodbye to the Hyatt Regency Waikiki, at least until our next visit, let's raise a virtual Mai Tai to this tropical paradise. Here's to stunning sunsets, sandy beaches, and vacations that leave you with a smile on your face and sand in your suitcase. Aloha and mahalo for joining us on this tour. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a plane to catch. I hear Waikiki calling. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.